Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can verify your Twitter account and how you can confirm your age. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Twitter and then log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon, then simply tap on Premium. Now, look for the subscribe button because now X requires a user to subscribe to X Premium to get the blue check mark. Choose a monthly or annual plan and complete the payment. Once done, X will automatically review your account, and to be eligible, you want to make sure you have a profile picture and display name. Your account must have been active in the last 30 days and your email and your phone number are verified. Also, make sure you haven't recently changed your name or photo. And most importantly, you follow the X rule. If you meet these all conditions, you'll then be able to get a blue check mark next to your name. So, now let's talk about age verification. For that, you want to go ahead and simply tap on your profile icon, scroll below, then you want to go ahead and tap on profile. Inside profile, tap on edit profile, and then scroll down. Here you will then be able to find your birth date. You can also set who can view your birth date, public follower, or just you. In some cases, X might ask for proof of age, especially if you have entered your wrong birth date or you are trying to access age-restricted content. If this happens, you'll get a notification asking you to upload a valid ID. So make sure your name and birth date are clearly visible, the photo is clear and not edited, and then submit through the app or link provided. After submission, just wait for X to review and confirm your age. And that's it. You have now learned how you can verify your account and confirm your age. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned until our next upload.